Long live the king. Long live the cat who just realized gravity. Your friend starts venting about their problems for the third time today, and you have to manually install the mute button. Moment when you realize the bird on the screen isn't real. Yeah. You ask your friend for a sip of their drink and they take it way too literally. You try to pick a fight but the boss has a 100 block rate. Stay humble, kid. Trying to have a main character moment, but your sibling chooses violence.
Huh?
You're trying to commit a crime but realize the witness is still awake and judging your every life choice. Trying to look majestic for the camera, but your four-wheel drive fails. You've had a long day of barking at nothing and finally decide to become a professional soup ingredient. You realize the black cat has been a secret agent this whole time and you are the only one who knows the truth. You're trying to act tough but the air tastes like a 5-star steak and you lose your train of thought mid-bark. You're 100% committed to the plan but forgot to check if the plan was committed to you. You're trying to leave the party but your social battery reaches 0% before you hit the door. You're trying to be the main character but the local tractor and a literal zombie take. Trying to enjoy your weekend but life keeps poking you to get back to work.
Huh?
First cat was ready to risk it all until the second cat decided that if they couldn't have the snack, nobody could. The bull, you get the horns. Play with the finger, you get the chomp.
Mink, mink, mink.
You decide to throw hands but realize you are actually a professional floor cleaner. You try to play it cool after walking into a wall but you know the human saw everything. The intrusive thoughts win and you realize that red dot was actually You hear a car door slam 3 blocks away and you have to confirm if it is the Amazon driver or just another heartbreak. Spent years studying the laws of physics only to conclude that this pen is simply better off on the floor. Gravity is not just a theory. Asked for a snack, not a hand-holding seminar. Put the squeeze tube down and let us both get what we want before things get physical.
Yeah.
You're trying to sleep, but then you remember that embarrassing thing you did in 2014.
Huh?
You're trying to have a serious photo shoot, but the gravitational pull of a mid-afternoon nap. You're trying to act casual because your crush just walked by, but you have absolutely no core strength. The moment you realize the king of fruit smells like the jester's gym socks. One sniff and this cat has officially retired from the food critic business. When I realize the pasta isn't actually for me. That look of pure betrayal at the end says it all. Happy Monday to everyone except the person who forgot to make a plate for the You're trying to stay mad, but your favorite song comes on. The group project is due at midnight and you have to begrudgingly acknowledge the one person who actually did the work. You realize you have been sitting like a gargoyle for 20 minutes and now your entire lower half has transitioned to a different dimension.
What? What the fuck?
You're trying to look majestic, but you haven't even mastered the art of holding your head up straight yet. Trying to act cool in front of your crush, but your weird younger brother is literally vibrating in the background.
I owed him up.
The vet says the treats are for brave cats only, but you know you failed the bravery test 4 seconds into the appointment. You forget how to dog because the new boots have you lagging in real. forget that physics is a thing and the mouse is made of pixels. Forget your keys and have to resort to professional cat burglar techniques. Your friend is acting like a tough guy, but then the boss walks in and suddenly everyone is on their best. You spend 45 minutes begging for a bite of dinner only to realize that seasoned pasta was a massive mistake.
Huh?
Mink, mink, mink. Mink, 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 mink.
You're trying to stay hydrated, but your human thinks they're the main character. Moment when you realize gravity is not just a law, but you had one too many treats and now you're losing a drag race to a stationary toy car.